Hi, everyone. This is Wayne. Welcome back. I had a company send me this thick fish, or THK fish. So, anyway, this 28-piece lure set box, crankbaits, pretty cool stuff. One of my favorite lures of all time is the I don't know, I call them scum frogs. That's kind of a name brand, but floating frogs, weedless frog. I love it. See the action here? That's pretty cool. I've got a couple of these different styles that I've tried and like pretty well. Here's a smaller, ouch, sharp hooks. Here's a kind of a panfish type look. And there's all kinds of things. Think of these as a jerk bait, stick bait, anything that's got red on the head. I've had real good luck with. Here's a popper. Same, we've got the red head and a small crankbait. Now, that'll be really good in the rivers and stuff for smallmouth. And here's this kind of a ouch flopper popper. And there's several different sizes and colorations of that they have in here. And those are really good lures in the moving water too. Anyway, I like it. Can't wait to get out this spring and try them out. Right now, the water's a little hard. They don't sink very well on the ice. So I'll give you another update when it comes time to fish. But I like them. Bye now.